Welcome to another episode, the Property in a Box video tutorial. In this video, I'll just quickly show you how to submit a property reservation. Let's log into Fusion CRM. Go to propertyinabox.com.au website. On the top right corner, you'll find Member Login. Please enter your login credentials and sign in. In order to submit a reservation, you must complete the reservation form. You can download the reservation form from the Resources section of Fusion CRM. On the top right corner, you'll find the Resources section. Go to Forms, and just simply hit on this download icon right beside Reservation Form. So this is how the reservation form looks like. Simply complete all the sections and get your client to sign it. Once completed and signed, please send a copy to contacts@propertyinabox.com.au, and the email address is also showing on your screen. You must also attach a copy of the holding fee receipt, which is typically $1,000, and in most cases it's fully refundable. Okay? If you have any questions completing this form, feel free to contact Property in a Box, and we are happy to assist. Okay? Thank you guys for watching this video, and good luck.